What's going on, guys? It's Ryan here, and guess what? My Phantom has returned, and so I'm going to do this unboxing of my second unboxing of my Phantom Standard. I'm quite excited to have it back, and let's have a look, see what DJI may or may not have done to my Phantom. Hopefully it's been repaired. Okay, so I'm just the first opening unboxing of my Phantom. So DJI never mentioned anything about having to pay or anything, and the turnabout process was approximately just 2 weeks, so under 3 weeks. The Friday I was at home, so I missed my package. Here's some paper. This is my package, so today is Monday. And they actually returned my Phantom with the box that I sent it in. I'll show you guys in a bit. Let's see. It says, what is this? So it comes with so it's Ryan Lamb, my name, invoice. It says pro forma invoice, price US. So DJI care balance 0. Remark is warranty, faulty shell, no other crash damage. So it's quantity, bottom shell, unit price is $1. Unit price is $8 US. So total is 8, and the discount is 100%. So this invoice is due to the invoice is due on presentation, and then please bank to transfer NA repair, Swift code, complete your transaction. Which basically means I did not have to pay for this repair. Alright, let's see what DJI has done to my Phantom. Here's my box. Sent it in exact same box. So my cousin told me that he will be sending me a backpack for my Phantom, and I'll be excited to actually do a review for it. And so here is my Phantom Standard. Let's see. So let's inspect it. Here it is. There's some like cardboard sort of pieces of paper there. The gimbal's a bit dusty. Might be from the cardboard itself, or from traveling. And let's see, DJI shell. It's pretty dusty actually. Now let's check the bottom. Shell. It looks like it has been replaced. Let me check the legs. Have the legs been replaced? Okay, legs have not been replaced clearly because, okay, can't really see that, but the like a small fracture on the legs are the same. Now, okay, the sides of my Phantom no longer has any stickers. It does say Phantom Standard on the bottom, however. But I think I'm not noticing any shell cracks on my frame, which is good news. And this took a week, 2 weeks of repair. My Phantom is quite dusty. It is quite dusty. Mac number. I wonder if they actually replaced the whole thing. Probably not. Let's see. Okay, so I think they have replaced it with like the newer bracketing. Sides, it is a little bit messy, it seems. But hopefully this is a stronger frame. Hopefully it's a stronger frame. So, quick look, no cracks. They have replaced my bottom shell, which is for free. I've never crashed within approximately 4 months of purchase. No cracks, front or back. Okay, however, just by inspecting here, this front one already looks like there's a tiny crack, and I'm not sure if that's just on the outside or if it will develop into an even bigger crack in the future. I am not sure at all. Hopefully I won't have to send this back in again, ever again, and hopefully it's good. So the thing with this is it no longer, my Phantom no longer has the sticker of it on the side of the shell anymore. They did replace the red stickers, which is good. However, like my Phantom it seems to be really dusty. Don't know why. Yeah, I'll do some comparisons and then see if this will actually fly. So they didn't replace the actual sticker of that. So there's my Phantom. It has returned, and I am quite happy about it. I'm just gonna grab my battery. So my battery's been with me for the 2 weeks. Kept it next to me. Alright. Let's see this. DJI. Alright. They did not replace the legs. That's for sure. It is more dusty than imagined. Now, let's power this on and see what happens. Okay. So with this, it seems like, just inspecting very closely, I don't see any visible cracks. My Phantom is dusty, as mentioned already. It's quite dusty, as mentioned already. However, now, okay, so looking at it, just having a glance, like a eye look at it, I'm going to predict that actually this one and this one, so the front left and the back motors will likely develop stress cracks, I think. Again, this is my guess, okay? And I'll keep you guys updated as well, because I see a line sort of here, but it's very, very small, so I'm not sure. Let me just try and grab my phone, wherever my phone is. Here it is. Here's my phone, and I am going to just shine a light through it and see if we can see what kind of light it is and what kind of shell it is. Oh, you guys can't see that. Okay, wait, let me just bring it closer. Let me turn off the light here. Okay. Just looking at the shell, it looks like it has the extra bracketing, the X bracketing compared to my first one. I think my first one was the non-reinforced bracketing. So hopefully this change of shell would help prevent the shell cracks. Hopefully. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if you have any other questions. Oh, actually, let me turn the lights back on. Alright, time to test it. Ready? Okay. It powers on. And I'll have to test to see if it will actually run nicely. Okay. Well, this one, the front is blinking red, probably because I don't have my SD card in it. And lights are functional. Red, white, yellow, red and yellow. Red's on the front. Yeah. Actually, let me try also to just see if it will respond. I deleted the app off of my cell phone just because I'm not using or haven't used the app for the past 2 weeks. Now let's just see what will happen. Apparently nothing. Hold on. Maybe it's not ready yet. I'll have to get back to you guys on this one. But it turns on, which is great. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.